50.
No, it ain't.
You've been in a helicopter for too long. Or a V-22.
Soft.
Still smells like gunpowder from when I shot it this morning.
You can shoot whenever.
I know. You're standing right where the shells are going.
I move it. Tap, rack, bang!
Yeah. Huh?
Rack it back.
Tap. Tap the mag.
He already did that. Now.
Never skipped around till this crap, that ammunition.
Oh, he said it was shitty, but it was cheap.
What? Yeah.
I'm poor.
Ammunition.
Fucking whore.
Tap, rack, bang.
I don't think I'm gonna stand this close.
Yeah.
I've had too many horror stories of people getting their fucking burnt to shit by the goddamn.
Is that
pussy?
Keep going.
Yeah.
Fucking son of a bitch. Single shot.
This is louder without that flash suppressor. One flash from my gun, he gets a big old ball of it.
Which is cooler.
Yeah.
That is fucking awesome. Fuck yeah.
I don't even know how many rounds we got left.
You didn't unload another one?
Uh-oh.
That's
You're
what I
getting
get
shot
for
at
my
right
ass.
now.
His definitely is louder.
Oh yeah.